All right, I'm super excited to make Mommy's Vodka Gimlet for our Mother's Day special martini. I'm just using whatever I have in my house, and I always have vodka, and we always have simple syrup because we drink in this house. So here is my Absolut vodka. Here is my simple syrup. Here is I'm gonna use a lemon that we pulled off of our tree. Well, actually, I think it's our neighbor's tree. So, yep, we're gonna use that one. Oh no, we have a lemon tree. That's right. And this is our shaker. I'm gonna put ice in here. We got all this stuff from World Market, so I'm excited to use it. This is actually a pour. This is what?
It just measures the shot.
It measures the shot. I only know this because Nick, who used to bartend, told me that. So this is 1 ounce and this is 2 ounces. So the smaller one is 1 and then this is 2 if you want to feel like you're a bartender. Anyway, so I never use this, but I'm going to use it today because we have it and I'm excited. Okay, and I need to go get some ice. So I'm gonna ask my barback to do that for me. Okay, also, if we have these little things at home, I just found this out today, that you can take this off, plug it in here, so you don't over pour. But I think we like over pouring in this house. It's called a speed pour, but thank you, Barback. This is super exciting because you won't over pour yourself if you just want to have a certain amount. So I'm gonna start with the Vodka Gimlet, and it goes a little something like this. So you need 2 ounces of vodka. I'm doing 2 ounces. 2 ounces of, oh my God. I got so shaky. I'm so shaky. I gotta put a little more in there. We started with 2 ounces of vodka. Okay, here we go. It's a little more than 2 ounces, but hey, it's Mother's Day. And then you need a half an ounce of simple syrup. So you take your simple syrup, and I'm only gonna do, since this is 1 ounce, I'm gonna just pour half of it in here. Okay, a half ounce of simple syrup in there. And then I'm gonna cut my lemon, sorry. Oh, thank you, Barback. And then I'm gonna put this in there. And if you have a lime squeezer, we also got this from, where do we get this from? World Market. You can use it. And I like lime, so I'm just gonna squeeze all of it. There we go. I'm actually gonna probably squeeze a little more. They say 3/4 lime, but I like lime, so. There we go. Get the knife out of the way. And then I take the top of my shaker. Oh crap, I think it's wrong. Nick, get out of here. And then I put this on here. And I shake. I'm not a real bartender, but you don't need to be. You do that. Ooh, I've honestly never done it in this thing, and I should use it more often. Nick uses it. Okay. I tried my hand at bartending one time. It didn't work out. And then you get a cup. And here's my cup that I use. I got this from Home Goods, and it's a really good crystal glass. So yeah. And then you pour top. Otherwise it will fall off. And this is my, I don't have a garnish because I'm not fancy, but this is my Vodka Gimlet. Let me taste it. Oh my God. It really is good. Like delicious. Oh my God. Okay. What? I'm gonna start making all my own drinks. This is good. And that is how you make the Mommy's Vodka Gimlet. This is so good, guys.